Hi, today we're making homemade cracker with turkey, cheese, and ham Lunchables instead of buying one. All you need is Ritz crackers, ham, turkey, or cheese. You can add any other ingredients if you want. So first we're going to be cutting up the ham, turkey, and cheese into smaller slices. So we cut up our cheese, turkey, and ham, and now we're going to put them in the Ritz crackers. You can buy at your local supermarket. So I'm going to put the turkey, the cheese, and the ham, this one together. And I'm going to leave it as a sandwich. Next, we're going to put the turkey, the cheese, only this time. Next, we're going to be making the ham and the cheese only. And then, going to make a turkey and a ham sandwich. Okay, so these are mini Lunchables you can always make DIY by yourself. It's super easy instead of buying $5 or for a Lunchable at your supermarket, and you can just make these at home. So now we're going to be filling both of these lunches. Now we're done with our sandwiches and Lunchable sandwiches, and we're going to eat. Please like and subscribe and watch some of my other videos over here, and bye.